Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create your own newsletters on HubSpot, so let's get right into it. Now, newsletters are a very useful marketing tool to get across your message and to attract more customers, potential leads, etc., etc. Now, the way you do this in excuse me, well, the way you do this in HubSpot is by going and creating your own emails and then sending them to your contacts. You also do have a couple of other options, however, they are paid for. You can create your own campaign, however, that is not as well, it's not that similar to a newsletter, and newsletters are literally just emails you send to many contacts. Now, the way that you create these emails is by going into the marketing tab, going into email, and then here you can create your own email. Now, as you can see, I already had one to test it out, but once you click create an email, you can create a regular one, a blog, which could be useful as a newsletter as well. However, I'll stick with the regular one, and you can also create automated ones. However, they are locked behind a paywall. Now, once I select regular, I'll just go click next, and here you can select whichever email you would like. You can select a couple of templates. However, I find the newsletter templates really good. You can use the newsletter 1 or 2 templates. However, this one is paid for. You can also start from scratch if you want to. However, I find it easier to start from a template. So just to choose the template, and here you can start editing your template. I'll just say that this is my final version just to expedite the process. Then you can review and send. However, you can manage the settings first and then go to send or schedule to select your recipients. Now I'll select these two, which are just test recipients, and then you can also set up recipients you don't want to send to, and you can check this off to not send to unengaged contacts. Then under automation, you can automate the process if you want. However, that is a paid for feature as well. And once you're done, you can just review and send once you, set everything up. But as you can see, subject line needs to be good, and preview text should also be done. And the company name and address is required for legal compliance, and that I am not sure where it is located. I'm pretty sure it's here. So you can edit the location here and edit the plain text as well if you want. But yeah, once you edit all of this, you can review and send, and that's pretty much it. I won't be adding this simply because I don't have any test information to put in it, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.